Hey everyone, we're back here on Davis Islands with our next residence for sale. This one at the Islander Condominium. Now it's a mid-rise condo right here in the heart of Davis Island, just outside of downtown Tampa. Now the condo itself has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 2,400 square feet of living space, 2 balconies, 2 assigned parking spots, and next to all the fantastic amenities that Davis Island has to offer. Join me as we take a look around.